Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it will not be a weekly tech video, as you can see from the new thumbnail and the new title. Today it will be a tutorial video. Today's tutorial is about something that I've seen a lot of people struggle with. It's using the SIM card tool on your smartphone. Smartphone manufacturers actually switched to this method quite a while back, but I've seen a lot of people still struggle with it. So let's get on with the video. So we'll start off by doing it on my phone. Usually in the box you should find a SIM tool that looks like this. Right, to find where you put this in, if you look around the edges of your phone, you should find a hole. Make sure you don't put it inside the microphone. You should see the outline of a SIM card tray around the edges of your phone. When you find it, insert your SIM card tool, just like I did there. And then you can put in your SIM card into the tray and your phone's ready to use. Right, we'll do that again just with a different phone. You might be able to see things a bit more clearly that way. You should be able to see the SIM card tray better in this example because of the color. We did a second example because just to show that the process is practically the same for every phone. Make sure that your SIM card fits perfectly into the SIM card tray, otherwise it might be on the wrong way and it could damage your phone and your SIM card, so you don't want that. Sometimes the SIM card tray might not just smoothly slide into the phone. In that case, you need to make sure that you're putting the SIM card tray into your phone in the right direction. Once again, it could damage your phone if you're not. This is the position of the SIM card trays on some of the most popular phones at the moment. What's common here is that the SIM card tray will always be on the edges of the phone, whether that be the top, bottom or side. Make sure you put the SIM card tool into the SIM card slot and not any of the other holes that can be found on the edges of your phone, because that can damage it. Usually you should be able to see a bigger ring around the hole where the SIM card tray pops out. I hope this video helped you guys figure out where the SIM card tray is on your specific device, because I obviously didn't cover all of them in this one. On top of that, I'd like to add that all new videos will be posted from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. GMT on Mondays. Thank you all for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.